guys, we're back with another Take and Make. In this month, all of March, we are focusing on food, something everybody loves, right? Food is one thing that keeps us going, and I want to help you find some cool snacks, some different things you can try at home that may just be delicious. And this week, what are we making? Well, we are making mug cakes. Look at cake, ooey gooey, steamy, moist cake. Want to know how to make them? Let's go. All right, guys, let's get mixing our cake. So what you are going to need is your bag of cake mix you picked up from the library. You're gonna need an empty cup. You're going to need some water. You're going to need a 1 tablespoon measure, and you're going to need a fork. So for each mug cake, what you will do is you will open up your bag of cake mix, and you're going to put 1, 2, and 3 even tablespoons of your cake mix. And then you're going to take 1, 2 tablespoons of your water. And then you're gonna take your fork. And we are going to stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. You gotta make sure all those clumps get out of there. You want it to be foamy and kind of frothy like that. It's gonna be foamy and bubbly. And then what we are going to do is we are going to take this and we're going to put it in our microwave for 1 minute. Just 1 minute. 1 minute should be all you need. So let's go. We'll go put our cakes into our microwave for 1 minute and then we will come back. Sound good? So as you might be able to hear, my cake is in the microwave. It is cooking away. Now what do? You put a whole minute to wait, and a microwave minute is like so much longer than another minute. You could like funky chicken, dance around. You could grab the closest book and read it. Or you could pester your little brother or sister, whatever you want. It's just whatever it takes to make that 1 minute go by so fast. Because we want to eat our cake. Cake is delicious. Everybody likes cake. Well, not everybody likes cake, but lots of people like cake. And you don't have to wait for your mom to make one whole big cake. You can just make enough for yourself for your snack. It's pretty sweet. I think it's great. And in the bag that I sent you, there is enough for more than 1 snack. So you should probably be able to make 2 cakes or mug cakes with what I sent you home. So that's pretty cool. Just dance it out. Wait for the ding of the microwave. Cause I want to eat. It's ready. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Look it. We have a cake. Can you see it's pretty steamy? So please keep in mind that it will be a little hot when it comes out of the oven. But we have a cup full of cake. Now it's up to you if you want to wait and cool or throw some icing on it, if you've got like some caramel drizzle or something. If you want to throw maybe some chocolate chips in your mix, you can. But yeah, we have cake. Isn't that sweet? The only thing is, I warn you, do you see this? She is steaming. It is hot. This is hot, so you're gonna have to let it cool down like probably another minute. No, it's a long time to wait, but yeah, cool it off. Blow on it. Don't blow on anybody else because we know that's against the rules. Blow on your cake. All right, I'm gonna take a bite. Pray for my soul that this is not gonna be boiling hot lava, okay? Nope, it is not. It is light, it is fluffy, and it is super delish. Hope you guys like your cakes. See you soon.